Hey, it's time with Verge. I'm here with Buddy, a singing, dancing family assistant robot. It's kind of like if you took an Alexa and put it in this vaguely creepy, vaguely adorable little robot who can also sing and dance and walk around your house. It's been in development for a few years. It's coming out this year, hopefully, for 1,300 euros, which is a lot of money for a robot, even one as cute as this. I'm not entirely convinced by the functionality, as much fun as it is to dance with this little dude over here. I'm not entirely sure or convinced that the features it offers over something like a Google Home or an Echo is necessarily worth the 1,300 euros, which is a lot. On the other hand, neither of those can sing and dance, so you win some, lose some. It's designed really as like a family device. You're kind of meant to like have it wander around your house somewhere in like a cross between a pet and a guard dog and something that can interact with your kids and also watch your house. There's a lot going on, and I'm not entirely sure it all works. But you can also do things like, hey buddy, can you dance? And he'll dance. The interface is all running off an Android, like an integrated Android tablet. It's a little slow, but it works. He's dancing. You dance, little dude. You dance.